we're at the moment in relation to councils, it's all set out in legislation and the constitution in relation. We can nominate 4 local authorities or 20 members of the Dáil and the Shamrock. And that's what we're faced with at the moment for this election. Obviously, I'm always open to looking at things and extending the manner in which more people can become involved in the presidential election. After all, the president is directly elected by the people, and so we should have a situation where we can reflect that. But at the moment, we have what we have.
Can I just ask, have you had any further contact with Sinn Féin about whether or not they may field the candidate in selection? Obviously, some of your supporters alongside you feel that the best chance for a non-government party taking the oars would be if they sort of decide to support your campaign. Have you had any further contact?
Yeah, I've had as little or as much contact with Sinn Féin as I've had indeed with other parties. From day one, I respect the processes within each party. I'm a declared to the Social Democrats and Labour Party from day one. I would love their help, but I respect their process and they have to go through their process.